Well, welcome back, everybody. I just wanted to say a few words before we put you in breakout rooms. First of all, I see a couple people say they're having technical problems with the app. You've already gotten into it. And one of my questions is, did you skip something? Because if you skip questions, then on the next page, it won't work. So we'll look into that. But if you have any problems with the app while you're doing it today, please chat with us and we'll see if there's some kind of issue. Okay, before you get started, I just wanted to mention that you're going to do two things together with your breakout group. As yesterday, please introduce yourselves because you'll be with different people and pick somebody to share their screen. But after you get done with the app today, because we're giving you more time, we would like you to try what's called the task assessment. Now, we have developed several different kinds of summative assessments for use with our investigations. One is a pre-test, post-test. I know some of you have been looking at that already on the meeting page. But the other one is called a task assessment. And very briefly, the difference between the two is a pre-test, post-test is essentially the same set of multiple choice questions that you ask your students before and after they do the investigation. But the task assessment is an open-ended assessment where students actually have to develop a way to answer questions, writing or sketching. And right now we don't have the technology to capture any kind of sketching or we don't have sketching tools embedded in anything that we've built. So this is why I asked you to bring in some paper today, because when you work through the questions on the task assessment, I'd just like to ask you to sketch it out and talk to the group about what you think it should look like. If you don't get it done, that's okay, because you can go back at the end, after our live session is over and complete it. But that's the plan for today. Now, to find the task assessment, what you want to do is go to the meeting page, look under resources. You'll see in bold print, it says summative assessment, and the pages you're going to be addressing, as you can see on the meeting pages, on the meeting page, are written next to the directions, and it's on pages 4 through 7. So we're going to go ahead and put you into breakout rooms now. And as yesterday, we're going to call you back about 5 minutes before the end of our session. So Peg, you could go ahead and assign breakout rooms.